Hello, my noble band of outlaws. Outlaw Samurai coming at you live with a video with this. This is a retro style train whistle. You can get for $3 at your local Menards while supplies last. It's a seasonal stocking stuffer thing. Now you're probably wondering, Outlaw, why do you have a train whistle? Well, I wanted to get one, if nothing more than for the novelty of it last year. But we ran out before I could. We have them in stock at the moment. So learning from my past failure, I am now going to test it. 3, 2, 1. It actually does sound like a train. A little bit. Just a little bit. Not bad. It's just a fun little novelty thing. So until next time, my noble band of outlaws, Outlaw Samurai tells all y'all be crazy rednecks. Be safe, you use the weapons. I'm out. Peace.